Imagine a world where time is no longer a linear concept, but a realm where past, present, and future intertwine. The notion of time travel has captivated the human imagination for generations, fueling countless stories, movies, and scientific speculations. But could time travel be more than just fiction? In this mind-bending essay, we delve into the intriguing possibility that time traveling is not only real but also a clandestine government experiment. Brace yourself as we embark on a riveting journey through hidden archives, historical anomalies, and compelling testimonies. Prepare to question the very fabric of reality as we confront the enigmatic conspiracy surrounding time travel. Section 1. The genesis of time travel theories. We begin our quest by tracing the roots of time travel theories from ancient myth to the mind-bending concepts put forth by great thinkers like H.G. Wells and Albert Einstein. Explore how fiction laid the groundwork for scientific curiosity about the possibility of traversing time. Section 2. The Philadelphia Experiment. A glimpse into time manipulation. Uncover the mysterious events surrounding the Philadelphia Experiment, a supposed top-secret government experiment in the 1940s. We investigate claims of a secret naval project that allegedly achieved invisibility and time-traveling capabilities. Section 3. The Montauk Project. Unraveling the time travel conundrum, delve into the web of conspiracy theories surrounding the Montauk Project, an alleged continuation of the Philadelphia Experiment. We explore claims of mind control, interdimensional travel, and time manipulation experiments conducted by the government. Section 4. Time travelers' testimonies, voices from the future. Examine the testimonies of self-proclaimed time travelers who have emerged in the digital age. We scrutinize their claims, analyze photographic evidence, and evaluate the credibility of their stories. Section 5. The alleged involvement of secret agencies. Investigate the alleged involvement of secretive government agencies, such as the CIA and DARPA, in conducting classified experiments on time travel. We explore declassified documents and whistleblowers' accounts that hint at covert research. Section 6. The physics of time travel. Delve into the scientific side of time travel, exploring theories like wormholes, time loops, and the concept of closed time-like curves. We analyze how theoretical physics might lend credibility to the possibility of time manipulation. Section 7. Temporal anomalies and time slips. Examine cases of temporal anomalies and time slips, where individuals claim to have accidentally traveled through time. We discuss how these accounts fuel speculation about the existence of secret time-traveling experiments. Section 8. The Mandela Effect. A glitch in time. Explore the Mandela Effect, a phenomenon where collective memories seem to differ from historical records. We investigate how this puzzling occurrence has sparked theories of parallel universes and time manipulation. Section 9. The Conspiracy Unraveled, Debunking or Disinformation. Address skepticism surrounding the idea of time travel as a secret government experiment. We evaluate counterarguments, discussing whether these theories are the result of misinformation or genuine cover-up. Section 10. The Implications of Time Travel. Contemplate the profound implications of time travel both ethically and culturally. We discuss the potential consequences of altering the past and the ramifications of uncontrolled time travel. So we conclude our extraordinary exploration. We are left with a profound question. Is time travel a secret government experiment, a mere product of imagination, or a hidden reality waiting to be unveiled? While concrete evidence remains elusive, the tantalizing possibilities presented in this essay invite us to question the boundaries of our perceived reality. Whether time travel is an enigmatic conspiracy or an unfathomable scientific frontier, the allure of its exploration continues to captivate the human spirit. Join us as we ponder the mysteries of time and the limitless potential of the human mind in this fascinating journey of wonder and inquiry.